Ready for the dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. Instant petition has been filed by the petitioner with the following prayer. Stop. This honorable court may kindly be pleased to call the entire record of the case and after examining the same be pleased to quash and set aside the adverse remarks for the year 2005-2006 for the period of 1/4/2005 to 16/12/2005 communicated wide communication dated 15/2/2007 as well as the rejection of the reply full stop. If any prejudicial order to the interest of the petitioner is passed during the pendency of the writ petition full stop, the same may kindly be taken on record and be pleased to quashed and set aside stop. Any other appropriate writ, order or direction which may be considered just and proper in the fact and circumstances of the case may kindly be passed in favor of the petitioner stop. Cost of the writ petition may be allowed stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner was holding the post of additional regional transport officer from 24/1/2003 and he was promoted to the post of regional transport officer against the vacancies of 2005-2006 wide order dated 15/7/2005 and he joined the said post on 16/7/2005 stop. Counsel submits that the aforesaid promotion order of the petitioner was recalled and the petitioner was given promotion on the said post on 10/12/2012 against the vacancies of 2009-2010 stop. Counsel submits that the reason for delaying the promotion of the petitioner was the adverse entries recorded in the ACR of the petitioner pertaining to the year 2005-2006 stop. Counsel submits that the petitioner has served the department for more than 3 decades and in his entire service career his services remained unblemished and there were no complaints whatsoever against him and no charge sheet was ever being served to him stop. Counsel submits that without giving any advisory and without giving any notice the ACR of the petitioner were downgraded to unsatisfactory while the work performance of the petitioner was excellent and several appreciations in this regard were given by the higher authorities in favor of the petitioner stop. Counsel submits that it is the settled proposition of law that the authorities are required to record the reason and inform the officer concerned of the change in the form of an advice full stop. Counsel submits that downgrading made without giving any reason cannot be allowed to sustain full stop. In support of his contentions, counsel has placed reliance on various judgments stop. It is duty of the reporting officer and the reviewing officer to take care not only that in their assessment of overall performance of the subordinate officer but also they are not influenced by any personal interest, bias or malice stop. In other words, It must appear on the face of the record that in assessing overall performance and giving grade to an officer in his ACR, the authorities have acted fairly and without any bias. Stop. It is trite law that an officer entrusted with duty to write confidential reports has a public responsibility and trust to write the confidential reports objectively, fairly, and dispassionately while giving on statement of facts. Stop.